Hello. Today I'm going to explain to you about the immunity drops and the immunity boosters. Now, since the time the COVID has come, all over the world people have been saying that it is basically the immunity which is going to protect you against the COVID. It doesn't mean that if your immunity is good you will not get COVID. Now the reports all over are showing that everybody is going to get COVID. It only means that if your immunity is good, even if the COVID comes, you will sometimes not even know that you have got the COVID, or even if you do get it, it will be a very, very milder version of the COVID. Now the latest report as on today also says that people who have recovered from COVID are also having fibrosis of the lung. Their immunity levels have dropped because of the COVID and they are very likely to get tuberculosis. So TB is the next biggest killer that is expected to strike the humankind. So what we have done right from the beginning is we have taken out the data from our clinic of all the patients who have been coming to us over the years to build up their immunity. See, they've been coming to us saying that they've been frequently falling sick. They've been getting a viral frequently, a cold and cough frequently, a bacterial infection frequently. So we've been treating those kind of patients for the last 30 years. So we've compiled all that data and then we've got about 43,000 patients data, which was done by an outside agency. And the statistics showed that 70% of the people have recovered or improved in their immunity in the first month itself. So we have compiled those medicines and we have come out with a combination which is basically for immunity. Now these are called as the immunity drops. Now these immunity drops should be taken once a day. That's about 2 to 3 drops on the tongue for about 3 months time. Even if you got COVID, post-COVID also you need to continue with this because it will help you to prevent any further infections like tuberculosis or fibrosis and stuff like that. Now these immunity drops can be taken by everybody. Now for those who find that those drops are a little harsh on the tongue, they can take 1 teaspoon of water, mix 2 to 3 drops in 1 teaspoon of water and then drink it once a day. These are the immunity drops. Can be taken if you have diabetes, blood pressure, if you are on any kind of medications, small kids, infants, because we are getting COVID for 10-month-old, 8-month-old babies also we are getting COVID positive. So give it to even the young kids also. In any case, it will help them to take care of their cold cough also. So it's a good thing to give them. Now what are these boosters that we give once in a week? Now these are the ones which have been recommended even by the Ayush Ministry. Now these are called as immunity boosters. Now these boosters, so the protocol is the immunity drops need to be taken every day for the next 3 months time. And with the kind of COVID that is happening, with the extent the COVID is spreading, these immune boosters need to be taken once a week. On the day you take the immunity boosters, skip the drops. The rest of the days you take the drops. Like I said before, everybody, pre-COVID, post-COVID, youngsters, old people, infants, pregnant women, lactating women, diabetic patients, blood pressure patients, on whatever kind of medicines you are, I would advise all of you take it. There are 0 side effects. Just maintain about 15 minutes gap before or after food. That's all that needs to be done. It can be taken any time of the day, before or after food. 15 minutes gap before or after food. There are no diet restrictions. There is nothing to be followed. These are very safe and these have 0 side effects. Just take them and take care of yourself. Take care. Stay safe.